Well, all right, guys, welcome to another gloomy day in Irvine, California. And I thought I'd make this video because there was one thing that I was thinking about, and I was trying to put it into words, but somehow, our disabilities, the physical disabilities that we have, are a reflection of our perception of ourselves. Some that lies within our soul, and some of it which lies within the story that we've put together about ourselves. So if we believe something, it kind of becomes somehow somewhat represented in how we look. And I know this sounds so woo and so crazy, but there is a certain amount of truth to it, and some of it is, as we like to tell ourselves, genetics, and some of it is the story that we've been told by others, such as everybody has to die, because the death cult in America and in the world is so strong that they brainwash everybody to believe that, yeah, by the time you are 100, you should be long and buried. That by age 40, you're starting to decline, and there's no way to fix that. And so many other things that the death cult does, because it sells death, and boy, in a capitalistic society, does death sell well, and so it keeps selling you that death. So people like me, who are a little bit skeptical and want to see for themselves, there was the famous guy, St. Thomas, right? St. Thomas. I won't believe it unless I see it, and I can prove it to myself. And again, that's how I stand on most subjects, whether it's science, whether it's everything else. I would love to see you prove it, but I'm not going to be like, oh, just because you can't prove it, I'm not going to believe it, or I'm going to say that, no, it can't be. I'm going to work with you. I'll put my time in with you to prove or disprove that thing that we are talking about exists or does not exist. For instance, one of the things they've been telling you and drilling you is scars cannot be reversed. And so that's one of the things that I thought I'd take a look at, as well as baby face. Why is it that some women, and again it's mostly the women, are able to have baby face way past 40 and others cannot? What makes them able to have baby face and the rest of us have to have pruny faces that get wrinklier and wrinklier every year, and yet they're able to have baby face? You don't know how that works, do you? Just like all the inventions that I have created or that I have tried to create, and try to bring to market, go to market, to make America better. Because I believed in the power of this nation. And I still love this place. I still love America. I'm still what people might call America first. And it has nothing to do with the duck. And it has nothing to do with MAGA. But I just really love America, this land. And I'm just disappointed that none of my inventions, none of my cars, none of my ideas, none of my things worked out. And yet in China, they're literally making the same thing. And also this other company called Ravensburger is making some of the stuff that I invented, and their business is doing well. Anyway, I'm going to continue this in the next part of the video, because you guys know that this only shoots for 5 minutes. It's one of the issues with this camera. It's a great camera, but it only shoots for 5 minutes. So here we are.